everyone, we are getting some positive news from the institute side with regard to name change, and second is related to inclusion of CMA in RERA Act. So we are discussing here entire the presentation. So let's start. So before starting, you have to share this video with each and every CMA student, so all the students can be aware of that. So let's start. So our first we will discuss about name change. So currently, as per recent amendment, so as per recent name change, our institute is called ICAI, means Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So currently we are ICAI, but what institute want is so we are, our name should be ICMAI, Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. And second issue is related to RERA Act. So RERA Act, in RERA Act only CA is there, CMA is not included in RERA Act. So what here representation said that representation on RERA Act and name change of the institute. So I wish to inform the members that institute has been continuously following up the concerned ministry on various representations submitted by the institute. During the month, I had a meeting with the Sri Rajesh Verma, IAS Secretary, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and Sri KVR Murthy, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, regarding our representation for inclusion of cost and cost accountant under Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, that is RERA Act. So as per recent amendment, as per amendment in RERA Act, only CA is there, CMA is not included in RERA Act. So representation has been submitted by our president sir on the inclusion of cost and management accountant in RERA Act. We strongly believe that Ministry of Corporate Affairs will consider our request on merit and furnish its favorable comments to the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs for the bringing out necessary amendment in the Act. So amendments are required to be made in the RERA Act, so that in the cost accountant also should be included in RERA Act. And second is second issue is related to name change. The institute has submitted a representation on 28th January 2021 to Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman requesting to change of name of institute to the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. So currently our institute's name is ICAI, that is Institute of Cost Accountants of India, but name should be ICMA, that is Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. So that a presentation has been submitted by our President sir to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, that is Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. I am happy to inform that Ministry of Finance has forwarded our representation to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs on the 23rd February 2021 for taking necessary action in the matter. So we can expect that our both the issues will be resolved as soon as possible, so that our name should be changed as ICMAI, and as in RERA Act also CMA should be included in RERA Act. So I hope this video is helpful to you and some knowledge you are getting from here. So share this video with each and everyone. Do like, share, and if you are new on the channel, then make sure you have subscribe the button and press the bell icon. So thank you, bye bye, take care.